What if your customers could see your product before it even exists? Blueprints explain ideas, but they rarely help people imagine the final experience. That's where realistic 3D design transforms an idea into something everyone can instantly understand. At Midas Star, we create realistic 3D visualizations that help businesses present ideas with confidence, long before production begins. From products and packaging to interiors and exhibition spaces, every idea becomes easier to refine when you can see it before it's built. Better decisions, fewer revisions, faster approvals. That's the power of seeing before building.
Don't just imagine your next idea. Experience it before it's built. With Midas Star.